Okay, good afternoon everyone. Let us proceed to our next discussion, which is probability mass function of a discrete random variable. So as you all know, discrete and continuous. When you say discrete, it is countable, and continuous, it is kanang it involved measurement. So probability mass function of a discrete random variable. So given a discrete random variable x, it is a function that satisfies the following properties. So matawag na siya function, it satisfies of these three given class statement A, B, C. So f of x is equals to p of x is equals to x. Or p is the probability of x is equals to x. Then 0 is less than or equal to f of x and less than or equal to 1. Or in short, ang pagbasa ni class is f of x is greater than or equal to 0 but less than or equal to 1. And the sum of probabilities of f of x 1 is equals to 1. So dapat masatisfy aning tulo, matawag siya og probability mass function of discrete random variable. For example, a coin is flipped 3 times, katulo. So let x represent the number of heads and that appear in a flipping a coin. So the probability mass function can be represented using a table. Coin katulo siya gi-flip. So kana, as you'll know, kung tulo man ka coin gi-flip, so meaning to say, pila man tanan, tulo ka coin gi-flip, so naa siya na each coin na head. Sa tulo ka coin, first coin head tail. Sa ikaduha nga coin head tail gyapon. Sa ikatalo nga coin head tail gyapon. Unya, so kung atong kanon ang ilang outcome, pila ka buok outcome tanan, so 8, there are 8 total outcomes or sample space, 8 ka buok. So that is why 8 ang mga over na tanan, because 2 times 2 times 2, so 8. So to find the outcomes of sample or sample space in a coin, we need to just multiply the total number. Kung pila ka buok number mo gawa sa coin, duha, head and tail. Another coin, head and tail, duha. Another coin, head and tail. Katulo man i-flip. So that's why 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 ang total. So next, so x equals 0, 1, 2, 3 niya. Probability of x equals x sa 0, usarang na 1 over 8. Sa 1, 3 over 8. Sa 2, 3 over 8. Sa 3, 1 over 8. So mo na siya. That is the example na siya. So another we have histogram. Is a graph of a probability mass function. The possible values of discrete random variable are on the horizontal axis while its probabilities are on the vertical axis. The total area under a histogram is 1. So this one. So example, a coin is flipped 3 times. So mo ni siya 0, 1, 2, 3. So let x be number of heads that appear in flipping coin using histogram. Ganyan table to. So table. So gani histogram. The histogram that represent the probability mass function is shown on the right. Okay, as you can see in the figure, sa 0, tungo siya sa 1, 8, 1 over 8. Sa 1, tungo siya sa 3 over 8. Ang 2, tungo sa 3 over 8 yapon. Yang 3, 1 over 8. So histogram. Mo niyang forma sa histogram. Example, 2 coins are tossed. Duha ka coin. Let h, or the head, be the number of heads that occur. Construct the probability distribution for the random variable h and its corresponding histogram. So 2 coins are tossed. So meaning to say, duha man ka coin dito. So sa usa ka coin ay duha head ug tail. Sa ikaduha nga of another coin head and tail gyapon. So to find the possible outcome, so you will just multiply class sa coin, basta coin. So 2 times 2, so there are 4 possible outcomes or 4 sample space. So the sample space, specifically there are, pwede sa S is equals to, symbol for sample space S equals, ang upat ka buok nga possible outcomes sa itos ang duha ka coin kay pwede siya HH, pwede siya HC, pwede siya TH, or pwede siya TT. Why is it nga nung i-multiply ni siya class? Because it is by fundamental counting principle. I-times siya basta coin gani class, we will use fundamental counting principle to find the possible outcome or how many sample space tanan ang possible. So the sample space mo ni siya HH, HTT, TH, TT. Then the question is, let H be the number of heads. Dito ko ang head ang gi-ask. So sa head, sa first, those head is 0, 1, 2. So sa head, sa first is duha ka head, that is why 2. Sa first nga, sa second nga HT, usa ka head. Second, TH, 1. So TT, wala. So 0. So minto siya, ang atong gamiton is, nga variable is head is 0, 1, 2. Kaning 1, 1, kadua naman, kausaran na to is what? So 0, 1, 2 atong gamiton. 0, 1, 2. So we will construct a probability distribution of random for random variable. So muna, that's why 0, 1, 2. Sa 0, so 1 over 4. Anya, sa 1, 1 over 2. Diba, ganiya sa 0, nganong 0 to, diba, ang nabilong ganiya sa 0 kay TT. So that is why 1 over 4. Nya sa nabilong ganiya sa 1, diba, sa 1 dara sa 1, duha ka buok ko, HT o TH. So 2 over 4. 2 over 4, i-reduce nimo, mo na siyang 1/2. Nya sa 2, kay 1 over 4 gyapon because sa 2, usara man, sa 2 kay usara man kabuk na diha. Usara si HH, as 1 man na sila kay nagsikit, as 1. So 1 over 4, ana na siya. The formula for probability is E over S, or event over the sample space or total outcome. So E, so meaning kung pila ka buktanan, ang denominator is always kung pila tanan, how many outcomes or how many total sample space. So 1 over 4. So in histogram, ana gyapon 0, 1/4, kung 1, 2/4 or 1/2, 2/4 or 1/2, then sa 2 kay 1/4. 2/4 or 1/2, the same ra na reduce to lowest term. So this mo ni forma sa histogram. Okay? So another example is a train contains girls and boys. So if 3 persons are taken from the train, one after the other, determine the possible values of random variables G representing the number of girls. Ang girls ang ipangita, construct its corresponding histogram. Okay, first is we need to determine the values for a random variable G. Atong i-determine sa, diba? So if 3 persons are going to be taken, then there will be, diba, tulo man ka person. So if there are person, as you know, girl or boy. So ang person, first person, girl or boy, so duha. Another person, pwede sa girl, another person, diba, basta gusto tag tao, pwede lalaki, babae. So first person, girl or boy, 2. Second person, girl or boy, 2 gyapon. Third person, girl or boy, 2 gyapon. So this is why 2 times 2 times 2, so 8 possible outcomes siya. We will, parehas atong ganyan, fundamental principle. We use also the fundamental principle. So fundamental counting principle. Okay? So the sample space is, so since kuan man tulo man ka girls and boys man, so then tulo ka person, so that pwede siya girl girl girl, pwede siya girl girl boy, pwede siya girl boy girl, pwede siya boy girl girl, pwede siya boy boy girl, pwede siya boy girl boy, pwede siya girl boy boy, pwede siya boy boy boy. So muna siya mga sample space, 8 ka buok. Now, ang pangutana is determine the possible values of represent the number of girls. Ang girls ang gipangutana, pila daw ang number of girls. So, i-check. Sa GGG, pila ka girls? 3. Sa GGB, pila ka girls? 2. Sa GBG, 2. Sa BGG, 2 gyapon. Sa BBG, 1. Sa BGB, 1. Sa GBB, 1. Sa BBB, kay 0. So, ang atong gamiton is 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3 atong gamiton class. Because, ang ganang na pagbalik ka, usara man na. So, 0, 1, 2, 3 atong gamiton sa G. Nya sa probability, sa 0, diba, sa 0 kay usara man siya. As 1 ka na nagsikit, as 1 na siya class. So, 1. So, that is why 1 over 8 niya. Sa 1, tulo, diba, sa 1 pila ka buk 1? 1, tulo ka buk 1, no? The same raman na sila, nagbali-bali lang. Duha ka boy, usa ka girl, duha ka boy, usa ka girl, duha ka boy. So 3/8. So that's why 3/8. Sa number 2, tulo sad ka buok sila, GGB, GBG, BGG, the same duha ka girl, usa ka boy. So 3. So as 3 over ang kanang 3 kung pila ka buok girls ang depende na siya class. Ang numerator is always the event. Event is kung pila ka buok ang gipangita mo na always ibutang sa numerator niya. Ang denominator is total outcome, total sample space. Pila tanan, di ba? 8 man to tanan. So mo nang 3/8 niya. Sa number 3, sa tulo ka buok girls, so usa ra gyapon na usa ka buok ang naara. So that is why 1/8. So true table. So in histogram, mo ni siya sa 0, 1/8. Sa 1, 3/8. Sa 2, 3/8. Sa 3, 1/8. Okay? So that is how to solve using table and histogram. Okay? Okay, next we have mean of a discrete random variable, mean. So mean of discrete random variable class, we have a formula. So let x be a discrete random variable. So the expected value of x also referred to as the mean of x. So ang symbol for mean is kanang murag yun din. Ana badlis mean na siya kung makita mo na nga kuan mean na siya. Mean is equals to e over a of x is equals to the summation of the quantity of x times probability of x. So to compute the discrete random variable class, so we need to follow these steps, 3 steps. First, construct the probability distribution. Second is to determine the value of x times probability of x, and then add all the values of x times probability of x to determine the summation of x times probability of x. Okay, so we have properties of mean of a discrete random variable class. So, na yung mga properties, 5 properties. First, let x and y be a random variables and let a and b be the constant. So, the following properties hold. So, number 1, so discrete random variable is quantity of x minus mean equals 0. E times the quantity of ex plus b is equals to a times the discrete random variable x plus b. Yeah. Discrete random variable x, quantity of x plus y is equals to a of x plus a of y. Number 4, a times the quantity of x minus y is equals to ex minus ay. Then number 5, a times the quantity of xy is equals to ex times ay, provided that x and y are independent of each other. Means they can stand alone, independent sila class. Dili sila mag-agad sa usag-usa because they are independent, lahi sila. So okay, for example, para masabta nato, so find the mean of the discrete random variable x with the following probability distribution. So kato ganiha 0, 1, 8, sa 1, 3, 8, sa 2, 3, 8, sa 3, 1, 8. So first is construct the column for x times p of x. Kani, suwat niya ni siya. Diba? So just multiply ra class. So 3 times 1, 8, 3, 8. 2 times 3, 8, 6/8. Then 1 times 3, 8, 3/8. Na 0 times 1, 8. So 0. So nanatay x times px class. Next is we need to add tanan. Katong ato ni add tanan class ang kani x times probability of x because summation man. To find the answer, summation man ang gipangita. So 3, 8 plus 6, 8 plus 3, 8 plus 0 equals, the answer is 3 plus 6 because it is similar fraction. Since similar man, copy the LCD. So 3 plus 6, 9 plus 3, 12. So 12/8 plus 0, 12/8 gapo. And then 12 divided by 8, it can be reduced by 2. So divide by 2 both sides. 12 divided by 4, 12 by 4, 3 na lang. 8 divide 4, 2 na lang. So fraction or decimal, so 3 divide 2, or the answer is 1.5. Therefore, class, the mean or the expected value of the probability distribution is 1.5. Inana ra siya, class. Atong i-multiply ang x o ang probability of x and then isum it all na to. Iya na to tanan. Katotanan. Okay? Another example. Find the mean or the expected value of the probability distribution below. So, muna siya, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then, muna yung P of x. So, just multiply. Butangan na nato, punan na nato x times P of x. So, multiply na to na siya. 1 times 0.09, 0.09. 2 times 0.16, 0.32. 3 times 0.17, 0.51. 4 times 0.28, 1.12. 5 times 0.25, 1.25. 6 times 0.05, 0.03. And then, i-add na to ni tanan siya, class. I-add din nato ni siya tanan. Kanit siya tanan, atong i-add. Kaning sa P of X. So, just add. And then, we have the answer of 3.59. So, therefore, the answer is 3.59. The mean or the expected value of probability is 3.59. Okay? Ano ra siya ka-symbol, class? Just multiply. Then after multiply, add all nga answer sa x times. Okay, since we are done with the mean, now let us proceed to the variance of discrete random variable class. So when you say variance, when yung symbol sa variance class, 0, then ay badlis tumoy, then 2, 0, 2. Mura siya 0, pero di na 0 ha. Mura siya 0 lang. 0, 2, and the formula for standard deviation, mura siya 0, then ay anak tumoy. Take note ang variance of standard deviation, lain na sila of discrete random variable. So, variance class and standard deviation of discrete random variable describes the dispersion or the variability of the distribution. Unsa ilang gilayon, pila ilang gap mo na siyang variance class, mo na i-check na to pila ilang gap with each other sa mga given, pila ilang gap. So the variance can be computed using the formula. Variance is the summation of the quantity of x squared times px minus kani siyang symbol mean siya, mean squared man ang variance. Now, to find the standard deviation class is ano sa kasayang class, once nanantay answer nga variance is ang kanang answer nato nga variance class ato ra ng square root. So muna na siya nga atong standard deviation. Okay. We also have the properties of variance. So let x and y be random variables and let a and b the constant. The following properties hold. So variance of a of x plus b is equals to a squared variance of x. Number 2, variance of x plus y is equals to the variance of x plus variance of y is equals to the variance of x minus y, provided that x and y are independent of each other. Okay, for example, para mabawa na to, to find the variance and standard deviation of discrete variable. So the same given. So first, ato i-multiply yapon ang x times px. So 38, 68, 38. So ang yang total kay 1.5. Now, so ang mean is 1.5. Diba ang mean is 1.5? Or the total. Mo na siyang mean class. Mean is the total answer, the total outcome. So 1.5 siya ang mean of probability. The same process ganiya sa pagkuha sa discrete. Now is same process yapon 1.5. Now is construct the column for x squared and x squared times px. So manaman ta ato now di ba mo i-squared na to ang x class atong i-squared. So ang 3 times 3 mo nang nahimong 9 na siya class. I-squared man to si x atong i-squared. Now si 2 sir nahimong 4. So 2 times 2 4 sa na si 1 times 1 1 gyapon na 0 times 0 gyapon. And then after that na natay x squared, maghimo na sa tag x squared times px. So kaning x squared i-times na to sa px. Dili na to i-squared sa px ha. So i-times na po na to. So 9 times 1 8 mo nang 9 8. So 4 times 3 8 mo nang 12 over 8. Na 3 8 times 1 3 over 8. 1 8 times 0 0. Then after that, ang x squared times px class, i-add na po nato ni tanan. So 9 plus 12 21 plus 3 24. So 24 divided by 8. So total answer is 3. So natay 3 ng answer. So now, find the variance and standard deviation using their corresponding formula. Di ba mo ang formula ganiha? Di ba ang formula mo man ni? The variance is mo yung formula of the variance kanina equals the summation of x squared times px minus mean squared. Di ba kaning x squared times px, summation of x squared minus px is dara class kani siya 3. Mo na siya class 3. X squared times is summation. Pasabot summation is giada na to tanan 3. That is why nakita mo 3 dia 3 minus nya 3 minus kaning murag u squared mean na siya mean. So pasabot kay a squared di ba ang 1.5 mo man ni kani ganiya kani gi-add na to 1.5. So squared man siya class. So that is why mo na siyang 1.5. 3 minus 1.5 squared. So ang pasabot anang squared class is kaduaon pa na siya class. Dili bot pasabot 1.5 times 2 ha. Kung dili atong kaduaon ang 1.5. So 1.5 times 1.5. Di ba? Ana sa. So 1.5 times 1.5, the answer is kuan man. The answer is kuan man. 2.25. Unya, isubtract na nato dayon. 3 minus 2.25. So that is why the answer is 0.75. Okay? Muna siya. That is why muna ang answer 0.75. Ana ra siya i-squared ang mean dayon. Ana ra tong process squared ang mean dayon. Ang katong x squared times px imong i-times and then i-add. Okay? So that is the variance. Now, to find the standard deviation class, ana man ko, once na natay answer sa variance, ato ra ni square root. Square root of 0.75, diretso ra nato. So the answer is, use your calculator. Square root of 0.75, the answer is 0.87. Okay, roll to the nearest 100. So, ana ra siya, 0.87. So that is the first, man itong variance, 0.75, man itong standard deviation, 0.87. Okay? That's the answer. Okay, another example. Find the variance. The same kato ganiha gyapon. First, atong i-add ni siya tanan to find the mean. I-add, multiply x times 0.9, 0, 1 times 1.9, 2 times 37.74, 3 times 23.69, 4 times 0.12, 0.48. And then, after that class, i-add na to ang tanang total diri sa x times px nga row. Then, the answer is, add na to tanang 2.1. So, nanatay mean nga 2.1. And then, atong maghimo tag laing table nga, atong i-squared si x. Kani x, mahimo tag x squared. So, si 0 nga x is x times 6, 0. 1 nga x, 1 times 1, 1 gyapon. Sa 2, munang nahimong 4, 2 times to 4. Na 3, 3 times 3, 9. Squared, pasabot klasa, squared, kaduaon siya. Na 4, 4 times 4, 16. And then, since nanam tayo x squared, maghimo sa talaing quantity, column sa PCAS, we have x squared times px asad. So 0 times 0.09, 0. 1 times 0.9, 0.9. 4 times 0.37, 1.48. 9 times 0.23, 2.07. 1.92 times, 16 times 0.12, 1.92. And then, after that, is i-add na to ang total niya para makuha na to ang iyahang kuan. Summation sa x times px. So the answer is 5.66. Now, use the formula. So 5.66 minus, ang mean is atong squared yapon, squared class. So 2.1 times 2.1, the answer class is 2.1 times 2.1, the answer is 4.41. 4.41 ang answer ni class sa 2.1 times 2.1. And then, if i-subtract na to, 5.66 minus 4.41, the answer is 1.25. So meaning nanatay variance nga 1.25. Okay? Muna siyang variance. And then, di ba ingon ko, once nanatay variance, easy na lang nato pag-solve ang standard deviation because just we need to square root the answer. Square root of 1.25. So your answer is, it should be 2 decimal places. So that the answer is 1.12. So therefore, the answer is 1.12. Okay? That is how to solve the variance and standard deviation. That's it. Okay? So that's all. Thank you, everyone.